Ding ding. Cool. 70% of the day's gains on the last candle. Well played. Jesus Christ. That was entertaining to say the least. I guess we had to test that upper trend. Yeah, most of that push was from futures. But anyway, it's getting rejected. Overextended. Now the market maker is gonna sell off after market close. Still largely in the same range we started the day at, right? Nothing really special here. Commodities up a little bit again today. Dollar down quite a bit. Now trading below 101, and yields dropped off tremendously with that highly liquid auction earlier on the 5 year. Correlation on the 1 month pushing down below the 3 month correlation. Not a lot of change here. A bit of deleveraging in USD JPY since yesterday. Probably goes alongside the dollar there, but down to around 620%. So we're not seeing them push back into that. And generally, the deleveraging of this is kind of bullish. It pushes down on yields and drops the dollar, right? So we are still seeing vol convexity pick up day over day. Not It is still trending up slightly, but not a lot of change there. Skews turning back up again, which is probably bullish. Jesus Christ. VIX is closing the day 20.76. So this week's almost pushing us beyond our prior low at 20.93. I'd imagine if we get much, I know intraday today this was actually at like 21.23. That's nuts. Which is, it's pretty. 20.9 was the low before Volmageddon, and we're at 20.76 right now. So we're about to exceed that. 84% of the S&P 500 above its 20-day moving average. GME, still not a lot of shorting going on. Also no covering. Despite the $1 move to the upside today, there's really no short covering there. Upstart got a little bounce. Fubo did too, but it pulled back a decent chunk of it into the end of the day, and now a little more after hours. Top, yeah, it kind of held its own. It's up another 2% after hours. They're going to be digging for liquidity overnight. We'll see how much they can get, but if we start to see more covering, this is going to start to move a lot harder. I think once we kind of break below that bound, covering's going to accelerate. And the pressure doesn't seem to be relenting there. Russell still closed the day up 36 BPS. So beyond getting shorted, but hanging in there, like a champ. So it's doing surprisingly well, given how actively it's been shorted, which has been quite hard since the 20th. And still holding up above that like 750 level, which is very important, at above $8. And pressuring the put wall at 9 a little. So I think it's holding in a really good range. Neo, I don't really have anything to say about it. It got rejected off the 200 MA yesterday. It might move up to retest again tomorrow. And that's going to be at about $9.18. RSP up 16 BPS today. Most of that gained in the last candle. And QQQ up 15 BPS today. Also, most of it gained in the last candle. So index is surging up into the end of the day to highs not seen since yesterday's close, or well, today's open. So a pretty uneventful day overall. Kind of flat, but a lot of price action. Anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you bright and early tomorrow at 9 a.m. Later, everyone.